Well, hello there, date watchers. I wanted to sing a song here on Psalm 133. I used to lead a group, and I used to put these psalms of ascent to music when I could play them on the guitar. I don't have a guitar anymore, but I did want to sing this song because it's like one of my favorites. All right, Psalm 133. Here's how it goes if you were singing it. It goes like this. Behold how good and pleasant it is for brothers to dwell together in unity, together in unity. It is like the precious oil on the head, coming down upon the beard, even Aaron's beard, coming down on the edge of his robes. It is like the dew of Hermon, coming down upon the mountains of Zion. For there the Lord commanded the blessing, life forever, life forever. Life forever, life forever, life forever, life forever, life forever.